Kakagising ko lang. Time now is around 6:05. Kain muna ako bago ako maligo. So, bumili na ako tinapay kagabi. So, I have here Hokkaido cheesecake yata. Ito, nabili ko dun to sa Lufasat. Kain na ako. No toothbrush, no mumog. So, the time now is 7. As in 6:59. Na-achieve natin yung 7 tayo lalabas. Hopefully, makaikot tayo kahit papano. Yeah, I'm excited. Merlion yung first na pupuntahan ko. And after that, all bonus. I think I'll go to Haji Lane and Chinatown pag kaya pa ng time. So, kailangan kasi bumalik dito ng 10. So, I have 3 hours to go around and to eat. Hopefully, makakain pa tayo. And yeah. Okay, let's go! Samahan niya ako. Let's go! Morning. It's currently 7 o'clock. Nakalabas na ako 7 o'clock. Sobrang madilim pala dito ng 7. So, so early, around 7:10. Wala pang tao and I'm so happy. Oh my god, you wouldn't believe this. I'm here. I'm so happy I'm here, Singapore. I'm in Singapore. Okay, we're now in Merlion. Huntingin natin yung Helix Bridge. I was here. Singapore. Travel alone. Okay. Here, traveling. This is Helix Bridge. Kala ko hindi ko ito mapupuntahan. Pero, yeah. I was able to. Next na hahanapin natin is Taxi Lane. Okay, update. I'm so tired. Pagod na ako. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. Medyo, hindi kasi ako, sa init. Namumula na ako. We are going to Haji Lane. After that one, most probably, uwi na tayo or go back to the hotel, freshen up, check out, and go to airport. Gets niyo ba ako? Hinihingal ako. Just wanna update here in front of Marina Bay Sands. So update, I'm here. Oh my god.
Three hours, 2.5 hours only. Enough for you? You see, Chinatown, so beautiful. So you want to go for your breakfast first, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so I'll take you to the food center. Souvenir shop. All around here, many souvenir shop.
So I'm in Chinatown, Hawker. So I got a laksa noodles. Grabe ang init, naglaksa pa nga. Okay. So gusto ko kasi yung laksa. I will try this one. Sabi ko less spicy. I hope it's less spicy talaga. Sobrang init, namumula na ako. Pero who's complaining? No one's complaining here. Ang price nito $6. Tastes good. Sabaw pa lang. So yummy. Lalabas na tayo sa Hawker. I will not spend so much time here. Check lang ako, photos, buy ng little souvenir. Dito na tayo bibili ng souvenir. This one is good. This one. I think I'm gonna get this. Gardens by the Bay. Tsaka, this is also good. Nice. I'll get this one. Ta-da! And I'll get this too. I will get 2 postcards. Tapos, I will get this one. And this one is cool. Merlion Park, Singapore Changi, Singapore Flyer, Marina Bay Sands. I'll get this. I just go for a very chill outfit. bad for this. Talagang tulugan lang siya and ano. Bukas yung vortex, jewel vortex. Sayang. Sayang, yun pa naman yung pinunta ko dito sa Terminal 1. Sisilipin ko ulit one last time kung open na. Otherwise, wala. It's not for us this gala. I hope it's open kasi nakakarinig ako ng water. Here it is. UVH. Magta-Terminal 3 na ako. Doon na lang ako kakain. And mag-chill. Mag-enter ulit tayo ng ganyan. Smith. Is this the one? I heard you have a free stamper. Is this from here? This one, thank you. So here we have this one. Tada! Hi there! So, nakahanap tayo ng free stamp. Nakita ko to sa isang nagba-vlog. Hinanap ko talaga siya. Nasa Terminal 3 siya, dun sa big store nila. Just gonna stop here. Oops! Nice. I'm so happy. So, I got 2 postcards sa labas kanina. This and this one. So, lagyan natin ng stamp din pareho. It got dirty. Ta-da! And here. That's it. Boarding na ako ulit pa Singapore. Nakapasok na ako. Maghintay na lang ng oras.
Yes, in group number 5, 5 minutes, you need to sleep for the now at gate A1.